Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Vox. Tracy here, and this is another yarn of the week. Now I haven't done one of these for quite some time. I've had a bit of a break from it all, but this is a yarn of the week because it's being discontinued, and I'm quite sad about it because it is absolutely gorgeous yarn, and all of the colours within it are, all the colour schemes are beautiful and work up so well. I might do some swatches of this yarn to show it when I get my butt in gear again after my little absence, but this is absolutely phenomenal yarn and a very underrated yarn, I have to say. Just bear with me a sec. Needed to put my fan on. Extremely underrated because for the longest time this was kind of known as just a cheap brand of yarn, and they had a few yarns that started to come along that pulled them up a little bit, and now they've got more and more yarn that is really nice, and they can't seem to shake that cheap brand, and that is Signet. Signet makes some absolutely gorgeous yarns, or they have some gorgeous yarns. I'm sorry, I was being tickled then by my own top. I thought it was like a fly or something had got in here, but no, it was just my own top tickling my bare leg. So sorry about that. Didn't mean to kind of drift off for a second. But I've only got in my shop, which is hobbyrocks.co.uk, I've only got a few colours left. I think I have 4, maybe 5, I don't know. I think I've got 4 here with me. But however many I've got left and however much quantity I've got left is all there will ever be now, which is quite unfortunate. Now, this one is really pretty. And if you can cast your mind back to when I did the Bella Coco Crochet Society box review, I did it for 6 months. And at one point in the box, this was the yarn that they used. They've used it twice during that time, and once it was called Kiddy's Kaleidoscope by Signet, and once it was called Bella Coco. They'd put a new band on it and branded it for Bella Coco. I mean, obviously Bella Coco doesn't affiliate to those boxes anymore. She's not part of that Crochet Society anymore. But when I did get it, I still have that ball here somewhere, which is identical to this one, but it has Bella Coco in on it. So this is the yarn they use. So that goes to show it is not a cheap end nasty yarn. If they were willing to put it into a Crochet Society box and get that out to the world who subscribe to those. So this one is a DK 3-weight yarn. It's 100 grams. Look at those stunning colours though. They are absolutely beautiful, and it's one of those marble type yarns where you've got the colour and the white twist together, and it is just beautiful. It's got teal, blue, kind of magenta, kind of pinky mauve and blues, and then it kind of looks like a greeny kind of colour where it is just stunning. Now this one, let's have a look at the band, and well, we'll get it upside down because we always do, so wouldn't be me, would it? Where are we? This is called Rainbow Drops, number 267 Rainbow Drops. 100 gram ball, which is 292 meters and 100% acrylic. It's machine washable to 40 degrees. Short spin, do not wring or iron, and it knits to all DK patterns, so therefore it will crochet to all DK patterns. Does it annoy you when they only put knits to, as if, oh my goodness. I was just trying to stop it falling off and lit up my hair. When they say it knits to, but they ignore all us crocheters. It's kind of we are the poor relation of the crafting world, don't you think, crocheters? But there you go. I wanted to show you this one because this is the strand. So it's not the thinnest DK you'll ever come across. It's a nice size. I've had 4-weight yarns that have been thinner than this. So it is a nice size strand. I'm just going to tuck that in so it doesn't get any more unraveled. But that is this beautiful, beautiful colour. You can see the difference in the teals and the blues there. It's pretty nice, I tell you, that one. Then there is one that is even more of a subtle kind of pastel colour. I'm going to try not to let this neckline fall off. Look at that one. It's the merest hint of colour, isn't it? I absolutely love this one. It's just so barely there and really, really beautiful. I'll let you kind of just drink in that colour for a while. It is stunning, absolutely stunning. So I'll put that one down. And upside down, of course it is. This is called Sherbet Dip. And 262 Sherbet Dip. They do show you a little swatch, but it's too dark. At no point in anything is this that dark, so there's no point in showing you that. It's a bad picture. So yeah, if you're wondering why I'm not showing you the swatches, that's the reason. Bad picture. So again, 100% acrylic, 292 meters, machine washable 40 degrees. I've already told you all that. And that is Sherbet Dip. Absolutely breathtaking. Those two, I have to say, you know, when I pick up a ball and I say this one's my favourite, each time I pick one up, it's my favourite, because then all of a sudden this one becomes my favourite because of all these beautiful blues. There's not just one blue going through this. Look at all those different blue shades that kind of go from the palest right up to a lovely kind of contrast. It is just gorgeous. Let's see, what's this called? Blue Ribbon. And that really does sum up the colour quite nicely. Number 263 Blue Ribbon. Isn't it beautiful? You know I'm a sucker for blue in any case, but yeah, those are right up my street. Love that one. And then we have the same again, but with pink. Wouldn't it be funny if this was called Pink Ribbon? But it isn't. It's called Strawberry Ripple. Not Raspberry Ripple, which you might expect, but Strawberry Ripple. Could have called it Raspberry Ripple, couldn't they? I think with those colours, definitely. But that is the other one, Strawberry Ripple. But they are gorgeous. Now, as I've told you all about it now, I need to show, it is absolutely gorgeous and soft. Although it says acrylic, not premium. Let's turn the light off and I'll take it off. Although it does say just acrylic, it is baby soft. You could use this for any baby pattern. It is really beautiful, lovely, gorgeous, soft, and it feels silky soft this way too. It's not just squishy. I mean, you can squish most yarns, but they don't have that lovely soft feel, and this one does. You could use this no problem at all for adults, for babies, for anybody, because it is gorgeous. It's called Kiddies Kaleidoscope, so it's obviously a baby yarn or a children's yarn, but you know, you don't have to, do you? I mean, I'm a biggest kid going, and that rainbow one is just astonishing. I love it. So yeah, Kiddies Kaleidoscope, and very, very, very underrated in the brand. So that is my yarn of the week, and that is on special offer now in my shop, which is hobbyrocks.co.uk. Now I just need to let you know that there are still 2 voucher codes going, one for new customers, which is first order 20. There is a link to the shop in the bottom, and also you can cut and paste the voucher code. Now for those of you who are not first time customers, there is still the voucher code £5 shipping discount, which you can't use them together, but you can, you know, you can use either, whichever one works for you. And if I have sent you a voucher code via email, then those ones obviously do still work too, unless there's a time limit on them. But the first order 20 and the £5 shipping, that works all the time, but they just don't work together. So that's my yarn of the week, and I absolutely love it, and I'm really sad that they have discontinued it. It is just gorgeous, and as you can see, the swatch is not worth showing you. Unfortunately, their pictures leave a lot to be desired. There's nothing that dark in this yarn, so it just doesn't show you what it does. So hopefully one of these days I will get the time to make the swatches and show them to you. Anyway, that's my yarn of the week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.